In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious fried pork chops recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need thin pork chops, 1 cup of flour, 3 eggs, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. We're going to start by placing the pork chops on plastic wrap and covering them, and then use a kitchen hammer to flatten them out as much as possible. Once flattened, season both sides of the pork chops with half the salt and the pepper. Add the remaining salt to the eggs and beat until smooth. Coat the pork chops in flour, then coat them in the egg mixture. Then we're going to coat them completely in breadcrumbs and place them back into the egg mixture and coat them in breadcrumbs again. Once coated, place them on a plate. In a pan of oil over heat, we're going to add in our breaded pork chops and fry at least 3 minutes on both sides or until golden brown. Once finished cooking, we're going to take them out onto a paper towel lined plate. Our fried pork chops are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!